Hey everyone, Deep here. In this video, we are going to discuss about Python programming language. So in this Python programming language tutorial, we are going to discuss about some pattern programming using for loop and also nested for loop. So the first pattern that we are going to create is this sort of a pattern. That is, it will start from 1, then it will be 2, 3, 4, and it will be 5 at the end. So it's starting from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so till 5 it's coming. So we will give two for loops, that is, we will make a nested for loop for this, and also we will see how to take user input for this program, and also how to create a predefined program of stars. Okay, you can also do this program with numbers as well. We are going to see that in this tutorial video, so stick around till the end and watch the video till the end. So let's start doing. So let's press Windows button, and let's find Python IDLE. Okay, so Control N for new file, and first we will do the user defined, that is not taking user input. So directly we will use for I in range bracket. So the starting will be from 0, 6 bracket close, colon, enter. So the first for loop is for the rows, and the second for loop will be for the columns. So for j in range bracket 0, I plus 1 bracket close, semicolon, print, we will print j, end equal to double quotes on and off bracket close. So we are giving end equal to double quotes on and off for the horizontal result of this particular output, and also we are using the j variable which is used for the second for loop, which is called the inner loop of this particular program, which is used for the column section, and I is used for the row section. So you can see we are starting from 0 and going till 6, and again in the inner loop we are going from 0 and taking I plus 1, that is row will be plus 1. Okay, and then we will print the inner loop, that is the column, and we will make the column break each and every time. So to break we will need to print double quotes, parenthesis on and off. This is how you can print this. So now we will save this, press F5, press enter. Let's give the name pattern, and let's save it to the desktop, save. And you can see the first problem that you will encounter is this sort of a problem. So this comes because of the indentation. So what we will do here is just take this print one step back, and again press F5, press enter, and you can see the pattern is ready. So it's starting from 0. So if you don't want to print the 0, what you will have to do is just take the 0 out and type 1, and here as well take the 0 out and type 1, F5, enter. So you can see 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is, it's counting from 0 and coming till 5, that is 6 numbers. Now we can also print the star. So what we will need to do is just take that j out, and in place of j, column wise, we will print the star. So I am giving star, you can see over here in double quotes you are giving star, F5, enter, and you can see the star pattern is ready. So this is one type of an example. It is predefined. So what about user defined, that is user input? So I will make a variable rows which is equal to int bracket input parenthesis double quotes, enter the number of